hope you are safe at your home and you are taking the precaution regarding coronavirus. Student, in this video we are going to learn English subject. Okay? And our lesson number 3, autobiography of a great Indian person. Students, everyone's like the birds. Everyone's have the favorite birds. But here also in this lesson we are also going we will take the information about one bird. That bird's name is the bustard. What is the bird's name? Bustard. Okay. Autobiography of a great Indian bustard. It is the Indian birds. That name is the bustard. And autobiography. Autobiography means what? Autobiography, these words made from the three words. Auto, bio and graphy. So auto means what? So auto means self. Auto means what? Self. And bio means what? Life. Bio means life. And graphy means what? Writing. Okay. So autography means what? Something written about somebody's himself. Okay, it's called the autography. If I want to write the autography on my life, so I will write. Okay, so when we are writing something about someone, it's himself, so it's called the autography. Understood? So in this lesson, Indian bustard, it is the one verse, and he busted this verse introduce himself. How I am. So how he is. So his bustard this verse introduces himself. So that's why we call the autobiography of a great Indian bustard. Now student, we will see the how is the bustard verse. We will see now. Okay. Our lesson number 3, autobiography of a great Indian bustard. Which is the heaviest flying bird in India? So bustard, this verse, he is asking to us which is the heaviest flying bird in India. So which is the heaviest flying bird? It is the Indian bustard. Okay? Well friend, it's me. So heaviest bird, heaviest flying birds in India, it is the Indian bustard, the great Indian bustard. I feel proud to be known as the great Indian bird. So bustard bird say I feel so proud. This I am introduction to you. Okay, I have more than 30 different names in various Indian language. Okay, he said I have the 30 names. How in our school have another name, and our parents say the another names, and our friends also say they call us another name. So Indian bustard have the 30 names. How much their name is the 30 names in different states. Okay. In Maharashtra what? In Marathi I know as a Mandok or cook. In Maharashtra, in Marathi we call the Mandok. Maybe you heard this name Mandok. Okay, in Marathi we call this birds Mandok, otherwise cook. I know, weight up 80 kilometers and can stand up the 4 feet in a height. Okay student, his weight is the 80 kilometer. How much? It is so big birds. Okay, and his height. How's the height? 4 centimeter, 5 centimeters. The same like his height is how much? 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 feet. His height is the 4 feet. Reaching up our shoulder or even higher. He said, my height is like you, otherwise than you also. Okay? Understood? We are going to learn about the Indian birds. In Marathi is called the Mandok. Okay, what we call the Mandok birds. Okay, his weight is the 80 meter and his height is the 4 feet. I have got a long white neck. He said my neck's color is the white and he has the brown wings. He has the brown wing. You can see in a picture also. They have the white neck and brown colors wing. Pale yellow lace, tall yellow lace and a black cap on my head. In the picture you can see the tall yellow leg. This leg is the color is the yellow, and on upper side have the black colors cap. You can see in a picture. Okay, so this types of western birds looking. Black cap on my head, and my wife, Mr. Buster, is a smaller and slimmer than I am, and her neck is not white. What he said? He said his Buster's female bird is looking little bit small than male birds, and his neck is not a white. Okay, he is he's little bit small than a male birds, and he is a slim. He is a thin. And I have heard rumors say that we both look impressive. Means Buster say we are both. Many people say to him Buster bird say the looking very impressive. Impressive is what? Beautiful. Both male busters and female busters both are looking same, and their lookings are very beautiful. I hope students you understood the first paragraph. We are taking the information about the bustard birds. Okay. In Maharashtra we call the martor. Okay, and his weight is 80 kilometers and height is 4 feet. It is a very big birds, and his neck is white. You can see in the picture. His neck is white, and his feather is the brown color, and his leg color is the yellow. And on the head of the bustard have the black color cap. But female birds looking slim and small than a male birds. Okay, and he does not have the white neck. Both male and female bustard looking very beautiful. Okay, now we go to second paragraph. What is say? I love on a grassland and desert along with my other friends including chikara, blackbird and lark. He said I like to live the grassland, otherwise on a desert. Okay, and chikara, blackbird and lark. These the birds, animals. They are his friend. And everything including snake, lizard, small fruits and berries, and sort of insect. Okay. Chikara, blackbirds and lark is their friends, and he like to eat snake. He eat the snake also. We are so much to snake. But Buster's birds like the snake. Like the snake, lizard, small fruits, berries. Maybe you heard the berries, small fruit that grow on a bushes. Okay, it is the small fruits. He also like to eat and sort of insect. And he like to insect also. Sort means types. He like to eat the different types of insect. That is a very healthy habit. He said this all food is very good for me. But grasshoppers and beetles are my favorite food items. Okay. See students, our also have the some foods. We eat the all vegetables and fruit. Then still our only one our favorite foods other food. So busters like the so much the grasshoppers and beetles. Beetles means what? Is the one type of insect. Beetles is the one type of insect. His favorite food is the grasshoppers and beetles. Students, you understood second paragraph? And what you saw in the second paragraph? You saw in the second paragraph chikara, blackbird and lark. They are the Buster's friend, and he like to eat snake, lizard, small fruits and berries and some types of insect also. But he liked the most grasshoppers and beetles among that foods. Okay, grasshoppers and beetles are very favorite food of the busters. Now next paragraph. When it starts raining, we all gather to our favorite grasslands where there are no people to disturb us. What he said? When rain started, now is rainy season. So he said when rain started, we all the busters. So we all friends, all busters came on a one place on a grassland, and there have not of people for the disturb. Many times people saw the birds, they take the photo, they go to near. Many times people trouble to birds also, animal also. So he said, I don't like the peoples. Okay, I don't want the peoples for disturb. So I want a peaceful place. There we can do the dance. I perform a wonderful dance by glopping here in a special feathers pouch attached below my neck. He said like, when rain started, we all birds gather on a grassland and we do the wonderful dance. He liked to dance in a fresh air and with feather. He glopping ears. He will take the some feather with the help of the pouch in a downside. In one pouch means what the sort of the back. In a below the neck, he have the some pouch, and with the help of this pouch, we take the air inside. This pouch helps me to the produce and resounding sound similar to the produced by the cow. And with the help of this pouch, okay, with the help of this pouch, they take up the sounds. That sounds that look like a cow. And birds take out the voice the we say like that. Okay. I dance in a joy with puff out feathers and puff up the pace and drop down the wings. And he enjoy his dance. He puff out the figure. Puff means what? Puff out means made the figure and rounder. Okay, he made the puff out the figure. He opened his figure. Many times we saw the peacock also. When he started, he spread his tail. So like that, he also puff out his figure and puff up a tail. Puff up means rise. He take the upside figure tail and drop down the wings, and he take the down the wings. It helps with the impressing my soul maiden. He improves the female's words for meeting purpose. I hope students you understood the second paragraph. What is in the second paragraph? Means some western birds like when rain started, they like to do the dance. All birds gather on a one place and they enjoy the dance. When they dance, they puff out their feathers, they take their tail upper side and they take down their wings. And this right they impress to others. And buster take out the voice. Okay. Now we will see the next paragraph. You know that we birds lay eggs and our young ones hatch out of the eggs and they lay the eggs. Mother JB lays just one egg directly on the ground. Since 1 year they give only one egg directly give on the ground. We don't feel in a building a nest. We saw the many birds around us before any season. They started to build their nest. But bustard birds, they not build the birds. They leave the legs on a ground, on a grassland. They not build the ground. They don't like to build the nest. But we have a special trick to protect our eggs from the predators. Predators means what? Animals that can't kill or eat others animals or their eggs. Some animals with the other animals. So these busters, they protect their young ones and their young. They not builder. We saw the many birds for protecting their eggs and young ones. So that's why they build the nest on the top on the tree. But busters birds, they not build the tree. They lay the egg on the ground. Still they protect our young ones. The egg look like a stone. Their egg look like a stones. You can also see this is the egg. We know the eggs looking white, otherwise another color. But bustard egg look like a stone. So this time they protect their self. Monitor, lizard, fox, dogs, pig, snakes, and eagles are enemies of my egg and chick. Okay, there are these animals is the enemies of the bustard. Which is the enemies of the bustard? Monitor lizard, big lizard, fox, dog, pig, snake, eagle. These all are the enemies of the bustard. But my wife protect the egg from all of them. But still, bustard have the many enemies. Still, he protect their chicks and egg from this animal. But the times our young ones hatch out of the egg, rains arrive. When rain is arrive, coming here, that time their young ones hatch out of the egg. There's plenty of grass morning the insect. Fresh food for my family. And busters give the fresh food to their family. Young ones of other birds soon fly away from the nest. But great Indian busters, mothers and chicks stay together for nearly 1 year. We saw them many times when the small bird, when they started to fly, they leave their parents and they leave the another place. Okay, when they started the fly, they leave their parents, they stay the another place. But busters, young ones, nearly 1 year they stay with their parents. How we are living with our parents from child to die? Means many years, 30-40 years we live with our parents. So like that, bustard young ones, 1 year they stay with their parents. The chick learns many good habits from the mother. He also like us. How we are learning the good habits from our parents, teachers, other neighbors. So same like that, bustard young one also learn the many good things from their mother. Okay. I hope students you understood this paragraph. Fourth paragraph gives the information about the young ones. How they protect their young ones. Okay, there have the many enemies like monitor, lizard, fox, dog, pig, snake. Then all eagles, they are the enemies of the birds. Still they are to protect their young ones and they teach the good habits to the young ones. Nearly 1 year they stay with their parents and bustard nearly he gives only 1 egg. Now next paragraph. You may have heard about a great human friend of our Dr. Salim Ali. There have the friend also. Humans, their friend. Their name is the Dr. Salim Ali. Students, maybe you heard about his name. He is the friend of the world. Salim Ali is one of the greatest ornithologists and naturalists to the peacock. Still, birds does not feel bad. The another bird, the status of national bird. Still, birds does not feel bad. He said, still I am happy to tell you that I am the status bird of the Rajasthan. He is not a national bird, but is the state bird of the Rajasthan. So we understood national bird is the peacock. Our national bird is peacock. But bustard is the state bird of the Rajasthan. In the Rajasthan we can see the more bustard. We had got 10 centuries for our protection, but sadly our number is still going down. Bustards evolution seem to be in the centuries. They have protected the many animals and birds, but we feel that their number is going to decrease. Both their number is going down. We used to live in all parts of India. Bustard bird say, I like to live the everywhere in India. But slowly the growing population of man pushed us away from more than 90% of our home regions. What we say, I like to live everywhere, but the people there push away them. So 90% of bustard have the decrease. Okay, there's now very small number of birds are living. So there are many people push away. Means people want to the place to live. So that's why they cut the forest birds, forest tree. So the birds may not have the place to live. So that's why their number is decreasing. We are afraid of hunter that kill us for fun. What is said, we also fear them. We also enemy. Still we fight with their enemies like snake, eagle, fox, dog. We fight with them. But we fear to the humans because some bad people they kill us and just only for fun. So he said, I don't like to kill me. He is a fear to the hunter they kill me. We also dive into the electric power lines that we can't see while flying. We say sometimes we die also when they touch the electricity. Okay, when they got the shock, that time they die. So while flying, they can't see the small wires. Electricity they can't see. So that time when they touch the electricity, that time they die. We are losing our home today. Only the last 200 of us are left in the world. Means worry about theirs. picture help and save me. You can discuss with this your parent. You can discuss with your parent. Come to see us at the sanctuary. We request that please come to the sanctuary and see to me how I am looking, how I am. He asked, because now you will not see it in other place. You can't see in other place, in a forest, in a outside, in a ground, other place we can't see to them. So he said to come in a sanctuaries and come see to me. Who knows, if humans do not help us, none of us will be left on the earth. He said, if you are not help us, we can't allow in a world. You will only see us in a picture. If you will not save me on a time, so you can't see me in a afterwards. Next generation can't see you, means just you can see in a picture. In picture we can enjoy these words. No, when we see to them the alive in front, when we see the real, that time we feel very good. When we come to know their shapes and all, from picture we can't understand the propers. So he requests to please save me. I hope students you understood poem. This lesson is very nice lesson. Today we took the information about the greatest Indian bustard. Okay, he is the state bird of Rajasthan, and he like to eat the snake, lizards, monkeys, berries, some types of insect. And bustards have some kind of enemies also, like a monitor, lizard, fox, dogs, eagle, pig. They have the enemies. They protect their young ones. And bustard eat